Amazing video. Welcome back to Trade Pro FX. So today I want us to be looking about the trading the even odd digits. So whenever you come to your market, just put some several indicators, and I told you trading even odd is very tricky. I hope we all together. Trading even odd is very tricky. Trading even odd is very tricky and requires a good capital. So don't go trying to trade the even odd without a good capital. I hope we are together till that point. So you come to your exponential moving average is the indicator I want you to put. Exponential moving average. Exponential moving average. So this is the what I want us to be taking our trading analysis using this one. So for the inputs, we will start with the 70 length, and then for the 70 again below, and then for the smoothing line change it to EMA, and that's the first indicator, and then return back and then put it again exponential moving average, and then for this you will change it to 30, and then 30, then for the smooth EMA put it to, and change this color, the style of that color, change it, so change it to something like that, yellow. Then add another exponential moving average, and this one, this time round you change and put it to length. For the inputs we'll put it to 7, and then this one to 7, and then EMA. Okay, and the color, you've forgotten to change the style to red, and we are done. So I want us to observe these candlesticks. So after doing that, you change to the 1 minute, and then we want to observe this. We want to observe this kind of movement down the 3 lines. So we want to observe such kind of movement below those 3 lines. So I hope we are together. That's what I want us to look, either the downside or the upside. So let's now check for a market which is creating below either the 2. So we can spot volatility 10, then but now moving uptrend. It makes the green the blue candlestick or the green candlestick if you are using the green candlestick. So I want a red candlestick. So we can spot this one, it's moving up. So let's see for the next candlestick here. Let's just wait for the next one, whether it is bullish or bearish. So let's see, let's just observe. So it moves up. So go to your trading board and then set everything. You can see that one is volatility 25 1s, and then for the digits we are trading the even odd. Then either we will choose the odd or the even. So let's check for the even digits. Then for the stake, take profit 20 USD, then use a stake of 3, and then stake of 3. And guys, remember your capital here should be very good, very good. So we want to observe these candlesticks forming either above or down. Whenever it moves up, you can trade whenever it moves on up, moving the bullish candlestick shows a bullish candlestick, you can trade even. And the same thing whenever it comes to the downside and trades below that line, you can trade the same even. So I hope till there we are together. It doesn't matter the candlestick, but trading below those EMAs, between those EMAs, and whenever the market starts going down this way, you will have losses. So you can stop your boat if you have already scoped your profits. So it's very bad. You see, when it has started moving to the bearish direction, but now here can start getting losses. I want it to go up so we can get profits from that. So whenever it appears down below, so let's wait for it to move up. I don't want the candlestick to be red, good, awesome. Let's wait. So let's wait. It goes up, you know it will win, and that's the first profit for the first runs. And you see we have already scooped that, and 6 wins and 8 losses, but we have already gotten our profit. And this happens when you have a good capital here, guys. Kindly do not forget, if you don't have a good capital, don't trade. So let's look for another market which is a bit better. We see for the down direction, so we want to check candlesticks appearing below and they are red in color. And then let's check volatility 25, still not a good market for that trading. 51s, so you can see this one is a bit better. So let's see 50, so we can change this one to our trading board to 51s. So we are done with this, so we can reset. So 51s, we want to see whether we can scope something from 51s, and it should be bearish. I hope we are together. 51s, then odd, then even, not odd. Don't interchange, we are all only looking for even. So I will be waiting for this candlestick to start moving bearish, peak red, and down below these 3 exponential lines, then we trade even. I hope we are together to that point, and I've told you, kindly have a good capital. So I'll wait for that candlestick. If it moves down, I can trade, but now it's moving up, so we won't risk trading. If it goes down and it is below those lines, it has gone up, so we have no entry there. So try this if you have a good account, but don't do it. You see, this would be a good entry point. So let's just check for another market. Volatility 50, let's see how it's behaving. Good, wow. So we can now try to scope this one. This is volatility 50, and then we trade odd, even, not odd, don't forget that. So we want the candlestick forming. You see it here, it has remained only 0, 0, 0. So we wait for this candlestick now forming currently at 55, 54, 53. We want it to give us a good entry red candlestick, and it's let's see how it behaves. When it moves red, we can pick trades. So let's still wait. So that seems to be risky, so we find for another market. 75-1s, let's see how it's behaving. So we have no entry on volatility 75-1s. Volatility 75, let's see how it behaves. Showing a week, already touched a week. Let's change to volatility 75. Let's wait for a red candlestick and we trade even. So that's a good entry. So let's wait, because it's forming the red, it's good, so we have no issues with it. That's why I've told you guys, always aim to have a good capital. If you don't have a good capital, trading even odd you can mess up your or blow your account. Don't try this if you have a small account. So let's wait and see. We have scooped something. I don't want it to continue. I just want to continue for it to continue forming a red candlestick. If it changes to the up direction, that's a mistake. It might incur some losses. So let's wait here 5 seconds. So our wish keeps moving down. So that's the only wish. If it goes up, definitely we might incur a loss. So you can see it's moving up. So it's so bad trade using. So let's wait for it to move down. Good. Wow. So when it goes down, you will probably get a good entry. So it is good now. Let's wait. I want it to get the momentum. The problem now is it is kind of forming a doji. You see now we were moving at a very good rate. So let's still wait for it to recover. Good. If it goes down, you win. Good. Now you are at a good momentum now. It has gotten a good momentum. So there is no worries now. But if it goes up, there is an issue. So try this on your demo account before you join your real account, guys. I hope you have understood, and go try other ideas that I've shown you to trade the even odd. And if you have a small account, just try to trade using the under 8 or the under 7 or the under 6 that I've shown you, guys. Do not try this if you have no good account to trade. If you have no good account to trade, don't try it, guys. So have a blessed period of time. And for those beginners who have not completely try all the strategies I've shown you to trade using the over under. That's the best market I would recommend some of you to trade. Either if you are not trading the over under, go and try the rise and fall. Try the rise and fall or the higher lower. Try to get the concept of trying to get to learn those kind of concepts. And completely you do not know how to trade, then trade using the defense. But that's now the most riskiest, because if you lose your account once and that digit appears, you will just lose your account completely.